In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a deal in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go over here in your dashboard on the left, and you want to go and look for CRM. You want to hover over it and click on Deals. Inside Deals, you want to go and click on Add Deal. Of course, you can go and import data from a file as well, but I'm just going to go and click on Add Deal over here. Now, from here, you can, of course, create your deal super simply. So you have to give it a name. Now, for this one, I've actually prepared some things, so we're going to name this one Coffee House New Website because this is going to be like a deal which is going to be for a local web design service. Okay, now whenever you've done this, you can then go and select the pipeline. So of course you can go and select whichever one you want. I'm going to keep it at sales pipeline. When it says deal stage, you can change to whatever. I'm going to do appointment scheduled over here, and then the amount can also be set. For this one, I'm going to do a 1,500. It's going to be a one-time flat fee. And then the close date, it's going to be, for example, 2 weeks from today. So as you can see right now, if I wanted 2 weeks from today, I can do the 1st of September 2026. And then you can do, of course, the deal owner, which is going to be usually your name or no owner, depends on what you want to do. And then the deal type can be new business or existing business. And then the priority can be low, medium, or high. Now over here, you want to go and select who you want to associate this deal with. So you have the associate records over here. I'm going to associate it with myself here for this example, and then the label can also be added if you want to. Then you can add more if you wanna, and then under companies, you can also go and associate them like this. I'm just going to do, for example, johndoe.com, which is just like a random company added. I could also do HubSpot or whatever, and then here you can also do the association label, add more, and that's essentially it. If you want to add line items, they can be added over here as well as the quantities, and when you're done, click on this create button. And guess what? A new deal has been created just like this, okay? Now, as you can see, here's the deal, here's the amount, everything in here. If you want to edit anything, you can customize it, you can do whatever, and then you can go back to deals and you'll see it's going to pop up here on your deal list. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.